It's gotta be around here somewhere, dudes. There he is. This ends now, Taylor. It's been 2 whole months since this started. Today, this is finished. Oh, crap. Caught it. This means war.
You cannot defeat me because I am a monkey.
Not this time.
It's a boomerang.
What? Oh, hi, Axe. Ugh. Ah, dude, there's no need for that, man. An axe, come on, maybe a twig, but not an axe.
You will die tonight.
No, have mercy!
I spit on you.
Why have you put tomato ketchup on my face, man? Man, you disgust me. Tomato sauce. Ah! Tomato! Stinging! Stinging! Ah! Get it out! Get it out! Where am I? What the? Oh no! Oh my God! It's Michael Jackson all over again! Michael! Michael, was that you?
It was me, John. Hi.
And me too. La 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 la. I'm Cindy. Wait. I'm Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, that's good.
And me. I'm a monkey.
What is this? Some reunion party? I thought all you guys were dead.
No, the possessed axe didn't kill us. Die!
Some things never change, do they?
Die!
I know. We can pass the time by playing ghost stories.
I don't want to play ghost stories. I'm really scared. Jack, please don't.
Strangely, John, I don't give a crap what you say.
Oh, right. You don't give a crap. Oh, I understand. Like you didn't give a crap when Paddy kicked me in episode 2. Or you didn't give a crap when I dived in the way and had my foot cut off instead of yours. Or you didn't even give a crap when Michael Jackson captured me. You didn't try to save me, did you? Okay, I'm done.
It's okay. It's okay now, John. Michael Jackson is not here. At least I don't think he is.
I know you got, like, escaped from Michael Jackson, and, you know, you were, naked and everything, you know, bad memories. But, you know, how did you do it, John? Tell us your story.
John, tell us your story. Come on, John.
Tell us your story! Tell us your story. It would intrigue me to hear about your mishaps with Michael Jackson. Well, it all started when... Oh, Mr. Big Shot doesn't give a crap again. Oh, he doesn't, because it's too boring. Oh, anyway, who knows when he fell asleep? What? Well, he actually fell asleep before you even started. Oh. Ah! Die, Jack! You will die tonight!
I'm up, dude. Don't hurt me.
Right, well, the story goes like this. I was there and... He's fallen asleep again, hasn't he? Frankly, yes.
So, is anybody still up for, you know, trading ghost stories? What the hell happened to John?
I never saw
He spit on my face, people!